In this video, I'll guide you through how you can import product from Amazon to Shopify. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To import product from Amazon to your Shopify store, at the beginning you have to click on apps and click on all the recommendation apps. Now you have to click on Shopify App Store and search for Amazon Importer. Once you found the button Amazon Importer app, then click on it. Now you have to click on Install button. Then this can pop up on your screen and click on Install. Once the app will be installed, then you have to click on the skip button. Now you have to copy Amazon product link. Let's go with this product and copy the link. Now paste it here and click on import. And accept the terms and condition and click on accept and continue. Now you have to wait for a few seconds to import the product. Once your Shopify store fetches the product, then you can easily see product information and import settings. After check out everything, you have to click on add product to import the product on your Shopify store. Congratulations, you successfully import product from Amazon to your Shopify store.